Thank you so much. Alright. So the next song is a little bit harder. Once it was a cover of a German band called Alphaville. And then we did it again. Do you know what that is? So are you ready for Big in Japan, baby?